In this video, I'm going to show you how to join the Aeris server in Minecraft. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure you are signed into a Microsoft account if you haven't already. To sign in, go to the main menu, Minecraft Bedrock, then in the bottom left, over here, you're going to see a button that says sign in, and then from there, it is going to walk you through the process. And essentially, you need to sign in using a Microsoft account, but do not worry, if you never made a Microsoft account before, then it is going to walk you through the process, and thankfully, you can easily create a Microsoft account from scratch over here. Anyways, once you are signed in, what you want to do is you want to press on play. Now, the thing is that this is only going to work if you're on a PC or on a mobile device. Unfortunately, consoles don't have this add server button. So again, keep that in mind. So this is the server IP that you want to add, and make sure that the port is just default 19132, but you just want to go ahead and press on join just like so. Then it's going to ask you to download a resource pack. Make sure to download it because it's going to give you all the custom textures and model that Aeris does use. So check this out. And then when we go ahead and load into the server, this is how things do look like. As you can tell, you get all the custom textures. And then from here, you're able to use the server navigator to select a region. And then from there, you're able to have a ton of fun. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.